All right, good morning. Had a beautiful sleep tonight. Yeah, I'm just having a tablespoon of peanut butter and then I'm driving to Early Beach. Weather is beautiful, so I'm gonna go down to the lagoon, I'm thinking. And yeah, we're gonna have a great day. Also, yesterday the music production, wow, I got lost in that music space for 9 hours and some good progress, some really good progress. I'm super happy how it's turning out. Oh, wow, I'm super excited. I just want to sit down and make music, but then I'm thinking it is the last days of like summer now, so today I'm just gonna have a really good day. Go to the lagoon, do like a body weight workout and go for a walk around Early Beach and probably drive down to McKay and sleep there. And then tomorrow I'll make music again and go to the gym in McKay. I'm thinking about staying in McKay for a couple of days. And I also figured out my 50-day vlog special, which is it's gonna be cool. I think you're gonna like it. It's something really good for me as well, for my health, so it's gonna be a nice one. But let's head to Early Beach, because yesterday I was talking a lot, and in this vlog I'm not gonna talk more than now and maybe when I say goodnight. So I put you on a B-roll through the whole day now, and I'll see you later. See you in a bit.